Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the platform and country you need. This narrows results fast. Next, sign in if the library requires authentication so you see full details. Once done, open the ads library from the platform's menu or search. Use the direct name to avoid landing on help pages. Make sure language and time filters are visible. That prevents missed ads. This gets you into the right interface immediately. You refine results by entering keywords, advertiser names, or precise topics to reduce noise while capturing variations. Then apply date ranges and media type filters, image, video, or carousel, so you don't wade through irrelevant formats. Next, add demographic or geographic filters if offered. This reveals who saw the ad. Once filtered, sort by relevance, newest, or spend to prioritize what matters. If you need broad context, widen the range and compare totals. You inspect each ad by opening it to read the creative, copy, and visible start or end dates so you understand intent and timing. Then check spend, impressions, and targeting summaries when available to assess reach. These metrics explain why an ad ran. If details are absent, clear your cache, try an incognito window, or switch country filters. Platform anomalies often hide entries. Finally, document screenshots and filter settings so you can reproduce findings later.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.